I mean, my first ever helmet, it was complete yellow. Actually, I remember now when I was a kid starting riding, I had a yellow, I don't remember the brand, honestly. It was yellow, blue, super cool. And the first ever helmet painted was 2011, and it was done in USA by Troy Designs, the painting, and I was stoked on that for sure. Yeah, my inspiration about this helmet, you know, like I'm quite into those cubes or mathematics and all these kind of things, you know, so you know, I always want the helmet to be quite personalized or different and not like the random stuff, and that's how I came up with that idea to put, you know, the Rubik's Cube on. That's all the algorithm used, you know, to solve the cube. One Italian guy also made a small cartoon, you know, me like kind of riding on the Rubik's Cube and things, so pretty cool, I think, and again, something else, you know. Yeah, you know, my designs, you know, first of all, I want it to look cool, of course, you know, just that if you see it on the track or in combination with bike and stuff, it needs to be like, oh, cool, whatever it is on, you know, but more importantly, it needs to be personal, you know, like things related to my you know, important things, you know, out of my life, or even some private things, or friends, or animals, or, you know, everything what I have a meaning in my life, some to get it on in whatever kind of way, you know, like last year I had one done, like my mechanic was on and like super cool in those cartoons, and you know, just things like that makes it special and makes it, you know, after you used it after a season, I put it away somewhere on a nice spot, and you always have those memories from that specific point, you know, in your career, let's say. Honestly, in the past, yeah, I was a lot into like, yeah, the Troy Lee design helmets, like Jeremy McGrath and stuff. He had some cool stuff, like complete different as well, you know, quite wild compared to nowadays, but back then I loved this, and that's why when I was in USA for 2 weeks, I went there and I said I want to get one helmet painted over there, you know, and that's how it all started. And nowadays to wear, let's say, a helmet out of the shop, it's like, you know, we need something special. Actually, the last Swiss GP helmet, like my home GP, it's been really cool. Like I put a lot of work in that. Just it's complete white with like silver chrome on it, and it's it tells a complete story. It's like the whole atmosphere of the Swiss GP is kind of on there with every little detail, and this is super cool. Maybe from far it's not the most amazing one, but it's super detailed and many meanings. And second one, last year I had a cool one as well, just with all my personalized things, and this one also looks super cool. I mean, first GP is always is tough because nobody really knows where you're at and things, but I had a good winter, so I would totally, you know, be cool to start off with a top 5 for sure, and just you know, get the ball rolling. You don't need to win in the first race, but of course after last year I want to be up front.